Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, someone requested on one of my videos that I should make a new trick on eFootball strategy, which I'll be doing now. So now let's go into the game. So guys, where we go, if you're looking for a way to make money through virtual betting or instant virtual or how to make money online, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and put a notification icon so as to get notified anytime I post a new video. Alright, so now let's dive into this video. One thing about this trick is that you need to be very patient. Alright, so the very first thing you have to do is just scroll this up to eFootball. So as you can see, I'm on eFootball right now, and then you can click on all live events down here. So if you're finding it difficult to get this, it's all live events. So you click on it, and now you look for a newly game that they just started here. Look for a new game that they are just starting. So if you look at this very well, all of this game is about to end. So what we're going to do is that we are going to look for another game that they are yet to start. So this thing is going to take time. That's why I said you need to exercise patience while using this trick. So you see, we have numbers of games that they are going to start by 9:30 days in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have about 8 of them that are going to start around 9:30. So yes, 10:30. Sorry. Okay, so while we wait, you can actually go do some research. Be doing some findings. Look for odds that they are highly competitive. That is, they have same odd. So this one has 2.0. This one has 2.3. This one has 2.4. This one has 3.0. This one has 2.7. This one has 2.6. Odds of this kind of range. So you can just randomly click on any of them and look for the one that has the lowest under. So this particular one has highest, so we can use this. So now I'm going to explain further in case you don't understand. So look at this one. This one, the over is the lower order. I mean the over 0.5 has 1.6, while the other one has higher. So we can't use this anymore because the match has started already. Let's check on this. They've logged this one, so I swear. So if you look at this particular one, you see that under 30.5 is 1.80. So this is lower than that of over. So we can actually use this particular one. So we are going to note this team. I mean, yes, those two teams. We are going to name note their names. So we have Manchester City and we have Bayern Munich. Manchester City is playing against Bayern Munich. Okay, so now let's go to live. So we keep on refreshing till we have it here. We keep on refreshing. We keep on refreshing till we have it here. Manchester is City versus Bayern Munich. So those are the two teams. We are looking for that particular match. So we keep on refreshing. It do take at least 1 minute sometimes before it appears. So that's what we'll be looking for. That's what we'll be looking for. Okay, so you can actually take advantage of this as well. If you look at it, this is another trick that is the kind of same trick. So if you are not getting the one for live, then you use the one that is a pre-match, the one they are yet to start. So this one is, they are playing 0-0 at the moment and their hall is kind of competitive. So you're going to click on that match and you look at their under. But if you look at this under, you see that under 4.5, the hall is very higher compared to under over 2.5. So we can use this one. I'm still going to explain that very well. So we are still looking for Bayern Munich. Yes, we're still looking for that team. They are yet to come up. So yeah, okay. So now back to this game. Now you see one of the reasons we can actually use this. If you see any of the teams like that, and they are still playing 0-0 up to about 3 minutes. So what you're going to do is like look at the odds, the over and the under. The under must be lower than what you have at over. That is, if it is over 2.5 and under 7.5, the odd for the under 7.5 must be lower than that of over 2.5. For example, do look at this one now. This one is over 3.5 and under 4.5. So you see that this one is still higher than this. So we can't use this. So now let's check for this team we are always been waiting for. Let's see if it is here already. This is Bayern Munich, but this is not the team they were facing when we were looking for them. Okay, this is it. Manchester City versus Bayern Munich. Manchester City versus Bayern Munich. I hope I'm right. Okay, so now let's click on this team and let's watch them out. Let's wait for this thing to be unlocked. All right, so as you can see, they are playing 1-0 at the moment. They are playing 1-0 at the moment. Okay. All right, so if you look at this now, they still kind of have same reason why we do not play on the other one. This one is under 1.30. This one is under 1.82. But let's look at this. Let them unlock this particular one and let's judge from there. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Man City and Bayern Munich. Okay, fine. Okay, so we can still use this one. We can still use this because if you want to consider it, after a team has scored, the team that scored must the odd must not be more than 1.5. This one is 1.66 already, so we can use this. So this is why I say you need to be very, very patient. You need to be very, very patient. So let's look for another one. Look at this particular one now, Germany and Portugal. So let's check. Let's consider this. Fine. So you can see the odd for under 5.5 is lower compared to that of under 2.5 when it was started. So we can actually still predict this. I'm going to use the whole 500 line in my account right now to state this, and why it's placed. I'm still going to explain how it works. All right. So if you look at this particular one, you see that after the first goal from the home team is having the odd of 1.00. And when we looked at the odd for over 2.5 then, and that of under 5.5, you see that of under 5.5 was lesser. It was lesser. But one thing about football is you need to exercise patience, and at the same time you need very, very fast while doing your analysis. You need very, very fast. It's because I'm still explaining, that's why it's taking a bit time, and that was cancelled while I was trying to explain. So but let me see if I'm going to see another fresh game which I can explain with. Okay. If you look at this particular one, we can't use this one. Okay, and it's still going fine. They are still playing 1-0 though. So assuming you came in at this particular time, you can entirely use it. So this is what I was saying. You see that under 3.5 odd is lesser than over 2.5. So in this kind of game, you can actually predict under 3.5. But it's kind of a bit risky. The reason is because the odd for home team, the one that is having a goal already, is still higher than 1.5. That's just the issue. But you can still consider it as a professional advice. I advise you don't go for it at all in order to be on the safer side. So let's see if you're going to have another one. So this particular one now is a good deal. We have 1.52 and they're playing this. So if you look at the hot, they have 1.52. That's the team that has a goal already, and their under is under 3.5 is 1.60. So this one too is a good deal. Let's see another one. Is there another one? Okay, this is another wonderful one. You see this one here, after a goal, they have 1.30 against 7 odd, and under is very, very lesser than. Assuming this was the one I saw, I would have played this. So it's a good day, guy. It's a good day. So I'm still waiting for this particular one. Let me just check it out. So you see they are still playing 1-0. They are still playing 1-0. Okay, they are even the one I played. They are even the one that we played. So we predicted under 4.5 though, and the game is still going fine. So you can see this game is already a win. This game is already a win. And let me just see if I can explain better more. Okay, so this particular one is starting almost very soon. They have the same odd. So let's look at these two teams, Bayern and Leipzig. Bayern and Leipzig, they've already closed their markets, but let's just note down the name, Bayern and Leipzig. Bayern and Leipzig, they have same odd. Bayern and Leipzig. So they have the same odd. So we're waiting for that. Let me just keep on refreshing this. We have Bayern and Leipzig. I hope we'll be able to play that one. This should be ended by then. Where's this game that we're playing? Okay, these are the games. Okay, so let me check how many minutes that they have left. And some people do ask that how do you get the number of team minutes that the match is going to use. So I'm going to show that to you now. So this match is going to last for just 10 minutes. Where do you get to know that this is it? 2 times 5 minutes, that's 10 minutes. So this is where you see it. You see if it is 12 minutes, you see that's 2 times 6. If it is 8 minutes, you see there that 2 times 4. So in that, those are the common times that I've ever come across while using this particular Efootball. You see the one of 4, you see the one of 5, and you see the one of 6. I don't think I've ever come across the one of 7, but I think there is. I think I've once came across it, but I'm not pretty sure. So this is where you get to know of the time. So this game is going to last for 10 minutes, and they've spread over 6 minutes already. Okay, this is 7 minutes, right? So they have 3 minutes more to go. They have about 3 minutes more to go. So where is this particular dipstick? There's a particular game that we just noted down. Let me see. Okay, yeah, fine. So these are the two games. These are the game. This is the game, sorry. So let's look at their HUD. Fine. So you can see now this is a goodie, but you can't play yet. You have to wait for them to score at least a goal. Okay, now I think there is a goal already because they closed all the. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, there is a goal already. Alright. So now we need to wait for them to unlock everything. Now you can play your under prediction. The prediction you are going for here is only going to be under. It's going to be under. So you look at this, over 5.5 is 1.53, and under 7.5 is yet to be unlocked. So let's just keep refreshing. Wait for them to refresh. To me, open the logged ones. Okay, fine. So you see under 7.5 odd is lower than that of over 5.5, so we can go for this. So you are going to predict this, but we don't have money in our account. Yes, you are yet to be credited on the previous game we played. You are yet to be credited. So, but I was very sure of it. That's why I actually staked that. So okay, so we are still waiting for this particular one to end. We are still waiting for it to end. They are still playing 1-0, so you can see this week is actually perfectly working, guys. So if you are still doubting it again, you can find your trick elsewhere. So guys, if you are just coming across this channel and you love to receive more days like this, or you would like me to work on any trick, kindly put that on the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to work on any trick, drop that in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like my video. So we're still waiting for this thing now. Just about few seconds more to finish. I have about few seconds more to finish. I want everything to be in this video so that it will be like you edited the video. So that's why I'm not stopping it. So you see now it's about to finish. It is 3 minutes, but you're actually using 10 minutes. They're actually using 10 minutes. So they have 2 goals already. We are not afraid of anything. The prediction is actually under 4.5. So even if they like, they can score 2 more goals. That's their own problem. But I doubt if they are going to score more than these 2 goals. So let's just watch. Okay. So they are 87. So you see that this one has already counted the 10 minutes, but they still have a few seconds more. Still have few seconds more. Still have few seconds. So let's check it out now. Okay, 2-1. So they are 88 minutes. So they have just few seconds more. Okay. So now as you can see, the match has ended already. Even if they scored 1 more goal, we are still winning. Even if they scored 1 more goal, we are still winning. So let's just watch. And okay, they gave them injury time of 1 minute, which they've used already, but the match is still going on. So let's see what they have to do. Probably they may deliver 1 more goal. Probably they may deliver 1 more goal. It happens like that sometimes. It happens. So let's just watch. Let's watch. Okay, ball saved. Alright. So I still hope we'll be able to bet on this particular one that they have. So you see the match ended 2-1. Even if we have played under 3.5, it was still going to be a win at that higher HUD. So like I said that time. Okay. So that is that. So you see, that is a win already. That's a win already. So this is a win already. So let me see if they've marked it. So the prediction is under 4.5, and the match ended under 3.5. So it is a win. It is a win already, no doubt. It's a win, no doubt. Okay, so let me check this particular match and let's wait for them to pay us. So you can see this is under 6.5 is still very much available, so we can still use this, but they are here to credit us. Under 5.5 is the one available now. We can still go for it. You see that the HUD is still lesser. We can still go for it. I can boldly say that we can still go for it. We are here to be credited. So I'm waiting for. Okay, so we have been credited. So I'm still going to use the whole amount we have here. So let me just put it 7. 6. Okay, let me watch. I think the orders just increased. The order just been increased. Okay, accept changes. Then let's watch. The order has been suspended. Okay, let me just close it. I hope I'm still able to remember the name. I think Lipsig or excuse me. I'm trying to like get the name again. I actually forgot. I think here receipt. Oh, we can't use this anymore. We can't use this anymore. We can't use it because the match is already gone more than halfway. So we can't use it, and they've logged almost everything. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like my video. See you on the next video.